Welcome guys, welcome back to Julie in the Kitchen. So today I'm going to be sharing with you just a simple meal for Thanksgiving. Nothing elaborate, just very simple. Just in case you're going to work and you don't feel like doing any Thanksgiving, but you want to do a little something. So over here I have this is what we're going to start out with. I have some turkey wings. So if you don't want to work that big turkey, you can just do some turkey. You still get that feeling. So I have some here washed already, clean with lemon. Here we're going to season up our turkey. I have some turkey seasoning here. I have some rosemary, some sage, some thyme. I have some celery, carrot. So we're going to start here. I'm going to make the bed for the turkey wings. I'm going to use up the celery. And this is going to be a good base to add for your gravy. Then we're gonna, put some onion in. Just leave everything here. It's just a bed to put your turkey, and at the same time, you're gonna have to do your base, your sauce, your gravy. Make it feel like turkey, right? We're gonna make it feel like turkey. This is your garlic. I'm gonna use this to base your turkey. Get this over here. I'm just add a little black pepper on it and some garlic salt. We're gonna go easy on the salt, okay? And we're gonna add some olive oil, just a little olive oil. We're gonna save this here. You can put a stir to it, yeah. We're gonna leave this for our turkey base. I feel like we're making a real turkey. That is just the breast. We're gonna rest this over here, and we're gonna come here and try season up this turkey now. Right? We're gonna put we're gonna use this. We're gonna put our poultry blend. We're gonna make it really taste nice. Not because, but still for all, right? Not because it's not a whole turkey, we're not gonna make it nice. So we're gonna add small amount of paprika. Just give it a little kick. Not paprika, cayenne pepper. See, I have my mind on the paprika. Just a kick. Knowing me, I like a little ginger, especially in chicken and pork. Just a little bit. And this is poultry, so you can take a little ginger, not much. And some pepper flakes, small amount. And then I washed this turkey. I had it soaked in a little bit of salt, and I had it washed with lemon juice. Put some garlic is a must. You put as much garlic you can put, but because that has garlic cloves, so it's okay if we didn't put any, because we're going to use that same base to base this chicken, this turkey. Right. So I'm going to put the annatto just to give it a nice little color to it. But the best thing for you guys is to use your smoked paprika, and as I said, I didn't have, so that's why I'm using this. Then I give it a nice color. We're not going to make it dark, right? So we're going to put a small amount of my all-purpose seasoning, guys, and you can use whatever you have. Just make the turkey taste nice and give it some love. A small amount. Everything has salt. And I'm going to add some butter to this, because the butter helps to get that golden nice color. Right, so I'm gonna add some butter to this just to help with the color. And you're gonna rub the butter over the turkey just to help give it a nice color. We put them in one by one. We're gonna add some chicken stock to the bottom of the bowl. You just put some here. Yeah, this is gonna make good. And I'm gonna tell you, you can use chicken stock, vegetable stock, whatever stock. But I made mine from Better Than Bouillon. I'm gonna cover up now. If you're here watching me and you're not a part of this channel, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment underneath the video. Let me know what you think. So our turkey is almost done. We just took it out of the oven. Look how beautiful it is. It smells good. But what we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna take it from the gravy here. See, it's well done, it's dripping. And we're gonna strain off this goody here to make our gravy for the turkey. I'm gonna take it off. Take it out of this. This smells good. You don't want anything to happen to this beautiful turkey. We're gonna strain this sauce off in our saucepan, and we're gonna put the turkey back. See, nice, all of that goodies. We're gonna come up with our sauce. This is already a sauce, we don't need much. Now we're gonna set back the turkey here, right there. I'm gonna put it back in the oven, just like this, just like this. And it's the turkey's cooked. We don't want it all messed up and all of that. We want it together. It's cooked. We're gonna put it back for a little bit. Let me get some more color. All right. So we're gonna put it back. We're gonna come back and show you the end result. So see you. So we're in here. We're gonna make our sauce. This is the sauce from the turkey. Look how lovely it is. We don't need much. We already have it. And we're gonna add a little bit more for extra sauce. Some people love sauce, right? We're just gonna add a little bit more for extra. Okay, just a little bit more. And this is chicken broth. Extra. We're gonna let that boil. And we're gonna mix a little bit of cornstarch for just a little for thickening. I'm gonna pour this over the turkey, and I'm gonna set back in the oven for 5 minutes. You don't need more than that, right? Look guys, look. Everybody gonna love you that day. They didn't love you before. They're gonna love you this day. Look how beautiful that is. This is another side that you can put on your Thanksgiving table. Some collard green, and see, I washed mine in salt and already cut this up, but I just wanted to show you. Leave them out like this, put them together, just like this, just like this, right? And then I cut. That's very easy. So here I had my turkey, smoked turkey leg, and I asked him to cut it in two. It's a big one. So I'm gonna put it on here in my pot, water on the fire here. So I'm gonna put it on and let it cook maybe for half an hour. And then I'm gonna add my collard green. I'm just gonna put some garlic to that, because you don't need to season up the smoked turkey yet. Just cook it down with some ginger, and guys, you can cook yours just the way you want to cook it. If you want to add season to it, you season. Everybody's cooking to their taste, so that's what it is. I'm gonna leave this here to boil for at least half an hour, and then I'll come back and add my collard green and rinse again, and I'll add it. So see you. And we're back. It's like 3/4 of an hour, guys, and I coming back now because, you know, it's a good time to come back because it start cooking, so it won't be that hard, and it smells really good because, you know, it's smoked. Anything smoked tastes good. Now we're going to add this to our smoked turkey, put it in the water. So guys, I must admit, I missed one step, but that's okay, we're gonna correct it. But anyway, we're gonna correct it right now. So I like to stir fry some onion, because I put garlic there already, so that's okay. I like to stir fry some onion and some bell pepper to give it that extra little kick to my, this is a process which it's not a must, but that's how I like to do it. That's why even though I messed this step, I'm coming back to do it. So this will be the first step you do after your turkey is on the fire and cook a little bit before like half an hour time. This is some rice. I'm just going to add some more garlic powder to this. And you don't have to do it this way. Just you could add it just in the pot of water. I'm going to add a small amount of this Lorry's, any all-purpose seasoning you can add. This has a lot of salt to it. I'm not going to put too much. And I'm going to use a little complete seasoning. You don't have to use this. Just use whatever seasoning, whatever flavors you have. Right? And I'm going to put this in my pot. I'm going to add, this is bouillon, better than bouillon. It's good. It's roasted chicken flavor, and they have it in the supermarket. Just going to add some. This is like using chicken stock. Right, so we're just going to add this onto our pot here. And I'm going to pull this back over the stove. So I like cooking on this side. I'm just going to scrape this in. See? All this nice flavor. I'm going to scrape this in. Wash my pot out. Because normally this is what I would have done first before I add the colored green, but because I missed this step. Alright, so we're gonna add everything together here. It smells really good. Cover it up and look at it. See, everything here. Now I'm gonna leave this to cook for about maybe an hour and a half, and I'll come back to look at it. So here we are, guys. It's like an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes. And this baby is done. It's cooked and it's done. Look at the meat. It's coming off the bone, and that's good. Coming off the bone. It's cooked. See, take everything out because everything out. Some people like to eat the meat. They're gonna get that to eat when I put all this can in this bowl here. And this, you put this on your Thanksgiving table or your Christmas table, dinner table. Any day of the week you can eat it, and it's vegetable, it's green, it's healthy. So we're back, guys. This is going to be the next thing we're going to put together for our Thanksgiving dinner. We're going to make some cornbread, delicious cornbread. So come over here. Like 1.5 cup of flour. Here we have 3 eggs, a tablespoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 cup of sugar. We're going to do 3/4 cups of cornmeal, a 3/4 cups of buttermilk. I have 1 stick of butter here melted, and I have a tin of sweet corn. So I'm using 3 eggs. You can use 2 because these eggs look small, so I'm going to use 3. So I'm going to go ahead and mix all my wet ingredients, starting with my eggs. That's cool enough. We're going to add our buttermilk. You could use whole milk if you so desire. right? Buttermilk. Buttermilk make it nice and creamy. Some butter. This is gonna add all your butter to this. In the end, we're gonna have like a, maybe we need 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter more, because we're gonna base our cornbread at the end, and we need a little butter to grease our dish. We're gonna cut our corn. All right, so we're gonna pour this here. All our wet ingredients. We're gonna stir this. This is it. We don't need no more stir. So we leave this aside right now, and we're gonna prepare our dry things. Because the flour is here already. We're gonna add sugar. It's very simple. We're gonna add our tablespoon of baking powder, and our 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and our 3/4 cups of cornmeal. This is a 1/4 cup. So that's 1, 2, 3. So that's it. 3/4 cups of cornmeal. We're gonna mix this baby here. Now we're gonna add our wet ingredients. Look, you see those corn grains? Oh, it looks like, you know, it's not gonna be nice. We're gonna put it in our buttered dish. Well, it's fully buttered. We're gonna bake in a 375 degree oven, 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out dry. All right, so we're gonna put in our 375 preheated oven, and we're gonna leave it for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted and it comes out dry. All right, it's 35 minutes, and we're gonna take our cornbread out. Should be done. Oh la la. So we're gonna do a test run with our toothpick, and it comes out dry. Now I'm gonna just put some butter over the top here. Butter it all over. Like a tablespoon of melted butter. Started to feel like Christmas. So this you could do for Thanksgiving or for Christmas. See the heat coming from it? It's hot. It's not the ideal time to cut. But look at that texture. Beautiful. And suit any Thanksgiving or Christmas table. Okay. So I'm using about a pound of asparagus. I'm gonna cut off the woody part, the hard part. I'll set these over here. I'm gonna draw out this. Let's cut off that little part here. Good. This you might need like a pound, no, 2 pounds of bacon. I only have a pound, but we're gonna work with whatever can wrap, we leave it. Okay, so we're gonna add some garlic salt, some black pepper, and some olive oil. Together like so, and we're going to leave them right here until we prepare. I'm going to wash my hands, leave it right there. gonna cut off because this is so long. The bacon is longer than the asparagus. I'm gonna cut this part off, this more fatty part here, and then I'm gonna wrap. You're gonna keep it here, wrap it here, just wrap around, just wrap it. And we're not gonna, don't kiss the wrap, don't double it up, just keep it, so because we want it to cook. All right, so we're wrapping. And remember, don't overlap the bacon because we want it to be crispy and nice. We have our bacon wrap ready, and we're going to put it in at 40 degrees in our oven. And we're going to let it stay for 10 minutes. Now we're going to come back and turn it over. 10 minutes. We're going to set our timer for 10 minutes. See you then. So 10 minutes, we're going to turn over. And the other side, turn everything over on the other side. We're going to put that for 10 more minutes. All right, next 10 seconds is up, 10 minutes is out. We're going to put them on the boiler high for 3 minutes, only 3 minutes, guys. And we're going to come back out and let you see. Okay, so it's all done. Our bacon wrap asparagus suit any Thanksgiving table or Christmas table. Really nice, very nice. So nice. This flavor is great. Great for Thanksgiving. Hope you enjoy. So here is my plate, guys. Look how beautiful it looks. This is really a great Thanksgiving plate. Look at the cornbread. Look at the collard green. And the turkey breast, and I'm having it with some white wine. I'm gonna take a bite. That collard green is delicious. This homemade cornbread is everything. Everything is everything, not because I make it, but it's because it's the truth. See how nice this is? Coming off the bone. Guys, you need to try this, it's good. All right, so guys, I just want to thank you so much for watching. Let's take a sip for a great Thanksgiving, and gratitude is everything. So let's give gratitude on Thanksgiving Day and every day. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you do enjoy this video. Leave me a comment, let me know how you feel, share my video out, and I want to thank you so much for watching. And as always, stay healthy, cook with love, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy Thanksgiving!